What I have here is the super cubes. This came in a 2-pack. If you are into prepping meals or saving money, this is the right product for you. Sometimes when we cook, we have a lot of soup left over, so you can put your soup here. Each compartment can store up to 2 cups. So right here will be 8 cups of soup. Not only you can store soup, let's say you are making sauces, you can also use that for your sauces. And then all you have to do is use the lid, cover it up, put it in the freezer, and there you go. It saves a lot of space. Instead of having a pot of soup or a huge container of leftover sauces and soup, this saves a lot of space in your freezer. This is silicone, so it is very easy to clean. This is plastic. You can just wipe it down and you are good to go.